Chest sign and symptoms, chest pain patterns. Heart blood stasis, stabbing or prickling chest pain that may radiate to the inner aspect of the left arm or to the shoulder, palpitations, a feeling of oppression, of constriction of the chest, cyanosis of the lips and nails, cold hands, tongue entirely purple or purple only on the side in the chest area, chopping or wiry pulse. Acupuncture pericardium 6, run 17, run 14, bladder 14. Phlegm hit in the lungs. Chest pain, a feeling of oppression of the chest, shortness of breath, feeling of heaviness and mooziness of head, feeling of heat, red face, greasy skin, sputum in the throat, expectoration of yellow sputum, dizziness, nausea, red and swollen tongue with sticky yellow coating, and slippery rapid pulse. Acupuncture, lung 5, lung 7, lung 1, large intestine 11, stomach 40, REN 12, REN 9, REN 5, and bladder 22. Heart-yang deficiency, a feeling of discomfort of or very slight pain of the chest, palpitation, shortness of breath on exertion, tiredness, slight depression, spontaneous sweating, feeling cold, cold hands, bright pale face, slightly dark lips, pale tongue, deep weak pulse. Heart-yang deficiency with phlegm. Dull chest pain, a feeling of oppression or tightness of the chest, palpitation, shortness of breath on exertion, tiredness, slight depression, spontaneous sweating, feeling cold, cold hands, bright, pale face, slightly dark lips, pale and swollen tongue, deep weak slippery pulse. Liver Qi stagnation. Dull chest and hypochondrial distension and pain, irritability, moodiness, a feeling of lump in the throat, premenstrual tension, and wiry pulse. Rebellious Qi in the penetrating vessel. Dull chest pain, a feeling of tightness of the chest, palpitation, anxiety, a feeling of lumps in the throat, abdominal and umbilical fullness, gastric fullness, irregular period, painful period, a feeling of energy rising in the abdomen to the chest, a feeling of heat in the face, nausea, and firm pulse. Lung Qi stagnation. Slight chest pain, a feeling of lump in the throat, difficulty in swallowing, a feeling of oppression or distension of the chest, slight breathlessness, sighing, sadness, irritability, depression, tongue slightly red on the side. In the chest areas, pulse very slightly tight on the right front position. Damp heat in the liver and gallbladder channel. Chest pain extending to the hypochondrium, a feeling of oppression and heaviness of the chest, bitter taste, poor appetite, nausea, feeling of heaviness of the body. Yellow vaginal discharge, vaginal itching, mid-cycle bleeding and or pain, burning on urination, dark urine, yellow complexion and eyes, vomiting, red tongue with reader's side, and unilateral or bilateral sticky yellow coating, wiry, slippery, rapid pulse. Thank you for your attention.